Let's turn this sketch into 3D, heading to our Features tab and selecting Extruded Boss Base. So we are now prompted to select a plane or an existing sketch. I'm going to select this sketch, left click on this vertical line. Let me pull this arrow to the left, left click and hold. Direction, blind, and our depth of extrusion to be 3. Selecting this green check mark. Let's create another sketch, this time on our top plane. Heading over to our Feature Manager, hovering over top plane, left click on this and select Sketch. Instead of grabbing our line command, I'm going to select our corner rectangle. Let's place its first point on this corner. Left click here. Notice the dimension field on the left is currently highlighted in blue. With that, I'm going to key in 1.5. Hitting enter. And let me pan down. And instead of keying in another value, I'm just simply going to left click and hit escape. Let's grab our line command and this time create a triangle heading up and selecting line. Let's place our first point at this intersection. So notice as I hover over this line, that yellow square on this line is the midpoint. Let's stray away from that. I'm going to simply left click on this intersection, move down. Notice the blue dashed line indicating the snap tracks. I'm going to left click here, move to this point or corner, left click and double left click. Hitting escape to disable the line command. Moving forward, this point, I'm going to left click and hold, needs to be aligned horizontally with this point. So with that, I'm going to select these 2 points, holding control and selecting this point. Let's head over to our properties under add relations and select horizontal. Let's now define the distance between these 2 lines. Heading to our sketch tab, selecting smart dimension, selecting these 2 lines. The distance between them to be 1, hitting enter. Let's define the angle between these 2 lines to be 45, hitting enter. In addition, let's turn this triangle into a sketch contour. Heading up, selecting line. Let's create a line from this point going to this point. Hitting escape. Let's now exit sketch. Hitting Control 7 for isometric view. Let's head up to our Features tab and selecting Extruded Boss Base. Prompted to select a plane or an existing sketch. Let me select this sketch and this sketch contour. But first, I'm going to head over to our Boss Extrude panel, activating selected contours. Notice it turns into blue. I'm now going to select this triangle. And for its direction, I'm going to change this from blind to up to a vertex, and that vertex will be this point. Making sure merge result is enabled, and selecting the green check mark. As quick as that, we have created the part stopper.